G'day, Jeremy Nagel here with a answer for a question in the Zoho forums from Veldine. Veldine wants to know if it's possible to have an automatically generated escalation whenever a lead has been sitting in a particular status for more than 14 days. There's a couple of pieces to this. First of all, we need to set up the ability to have lead history tracking. By default, Zoho CRM doesn't give you this, but with a little bit of modification, we can add in a custom module that will record the time it has spent in each stage. To do that, what I did first is I went to set up customization modules. I created a new lead status history module that has the status, the lead, and also a field called old history for this lead. Basically, what I want to happen is when the lead status is changed, it will create one of these records, and all of the other records for this lead will be changed to old history. The way that that is performed is through a workflow linked to a custom function. You can see here I've got my workflow triggered whenever lead status is updated. It calls this custom function, and what the custom function does is it gets the lead status from the lead, creates a new lead status record, and then for all of them except the last one, I need to actually make a change. Because we don't want to make the latest one old history as well. Or actually, no, we can do it a different way. Let's just add the new one afterwards. Okay. Make all the old history items old history. Add new lead status history. Like that. Okay, so we've got that working. Next, we need another workflow. This workflow is going to be triggered when it is 14 days after the creation date. So what we'll do on a date time, 14 days after created time, where old history is not selected, we will send an email to the boss at theboss.com. And you'll use a template. Escalate lead to the boss, and probably have to create a template. So we'll do lead has stalled at, and then the lead status. Here's the lead. So we can do a link. crm.zoho.com/ what's the URL format? This one. Okay. Oops. All right, so now we've got our email template, and therefore I can use this one. Ta-da! That should work. I'll post the code.